Here's our US14 7000 tool, and it's in the family of what we call can opener type of tools, where you ratchet the tool down the cable. And what's nice about this tool, it does have a ratchet wheel. Some of the older style can opener tools have a solid advancing wheel, and what's nice about this is the ratcheting wheel, and the idea is it's got a adjustable blade that you can dial in and avoid any damage to the underlying layers. We're gonna take the jacketing off of this transmission cable, which is a common practice to use a can opener type of tool for that.
I can't see anything from that side.
So we're making a longitudinal cut. Now what we can do is we can ring cut the cable. There we've taken the jacketing off of a transmission cable with the US14 tool.